Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to glue tyres back together. This is not set in stone, I'm probably doing something incorrect, but this is going to be a very simple way to glue your tyres together. I'm just a basher, this is going to be nowhere near perfect, I understand. I'll get into the video. There is a mark there on my tyre. That is where I glued it together yesterday. That was a dog. He decided to bite my tyre. There are many different applications for using tyre glue. Gluing your tyre to your rim, gluing tyres back together. Right, two, not many, but still. Now the first thing you want to do is wipe down the area. This is already pretty clean anyway, it doesn't matter anyway. But the first thing you want to do is you want to clean your tyre, and if you're doing it to a rim, you want to clean the rim. This is nice and clean anyway. Doesn't really matter to me because this is just to make a video. I'm not going to put my foam inside my tyre. Personally, if I was going to do it, I put my rim in while the foam's still in. I'm going to take out the foam because this is for a Fox S911 and I've got pretty bad tyres as it is, and I found they actually handle better without the foam inside the tyres. So I'm not going to put that in. I would suggest putting it in yours in, but it doesn't really matter in my case and I'd get more grip without it. Now, I haven't got the foam in the tyre, as I explained earlier. Sorry about any wind noise or any other noises, I'm outside because I don't want to get glue everywhere. There we go. These are a bit awkward, it normally is. No matter on what vehicle, you can never get the tyres on. Right. You want to bend that as far as you can back, well not all the way, but just in a few areas. If you're doing a higher power car, you do it all the way around. This is just for a lower power car, which is why I'm just doing it in a couple of areas, because otherwise it would just be a waste of glue, and I haven't got a lot. Now, on the bottle, it recommends to leave this for a few minutes. I'm going to do the other side off camera, and that is the simplest way to glue your tyres together. Now, as I recommended, it'd probably be better to clean the rim, then you get a better adhesion, but I'd be fine because it's in a lower power car. Thanks for watching, see you in another video. Please consider subscribing, leave a like and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.